What's happening, folks? It's your guy Rashad here at Action Food Truck with another day in the life of a food truck owner. Today's service is a rainy HOA service. Cold, freezing, wet, and busy. Actually kind of similar to how today is. It's another winter Northwest day outside, cold and rainy. If you call yourself a Four Seasons food truck and you operate in Western Washington, then cold, rainy, and wet is your portion. You can just pretty much count on that for your services in the winter months. Hell, even some of the fall months. I say we're a Four Seasons food truck because most food trucks that operate in this area close down anywhere from October till about March, depending on the truck, but it's usually somewhere in there. And we stay open all those months because we already have a brick and mortar and our sports bar is open every day. It makes sense for us to just keep the trucks rolling as much as we possibly can during those winter months, because people still have HOA events, people still do catering, people still getting married, people are still, having celebrations and parties. And so it's definitely the slower season, but because there's not so many trucks out there, in some ways it gives you similar opportunities. Stick around to the end of the video, catch my pro tip for the week. It's a pretty good one. Now, when I say we are all Seasons food truck, damn it, this is what I mean. It is pissing out here right now in Washington. Beautiful gray Seattle day. But you know what? We ready. We ready. We ready. So let's get to it. We're gonna get to it. One way or the other. We've got an awning for our outdoor person. This is an HOA event, so people can pull up and wait in their cars. We'll hit them with the pager so they don't have to stand out in the rain. Would it have been better to have a nice sunny day? Yeah. Usually nice sunny days are better for food truck services, but we're gonna make it do what it do, baby. We ready. We'll see y'all out there on the setup. All right. It was pouring in Kent. Looks like we outran the rain. It's probably coming our way now because it's kind of clear out here. So yeah, probably 10 minutes it'll probably be dumping again. Perfect timing to show up. The kids are inside putting everything together, getting everything ready for service. So I'm gonna hop on in, help out a little bit too. So I'm gonna take a nice side of chicken mar in one of those soup containers. Yeah. Okay. So it's gonna be one brisket mac. What's that? Yes, love.
All right here?
You can fill it up good.
Okay.
You're gonna make a good impression on this photo. And we got the meats.
We got the meats.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. How much for that?
So did you get a second? Can I get a couple of ice?
Mm-hmm. need a cardinal? Ready to make? All that shit. February 3rd is when we're back. Oh, nice. Let's get us some catering while we're here, you know? Brisket, please. I know, fucking up the wings. I know, you got to fry them damn things. Just hit 180. Hit 180, we'll be good to go. Yeah, that's what I do too now. Honey, you can go ahead. Yeah, on a cold day though, you can't beat it. Cup of soul, baby. Little parfait style. Mac. What happened? Hot?
Fucking bomb. Fucking bomb. Goddamn. Oh man.
Chicken fries. Some brisket fries. Our first one, but yeah, that's exactly how I do it. Gotcha. Yes, please. Grilled cheese and soup. Coming in hot. Brisket mac and cheese. What?
I just read that text.
Oh, yeah? Huh? Soul bowl. Chicken. See. Soul bowl, no greens. Brisket mac.
So these fries are just on the side?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
This is like that.
Yep. like we've heard this one 17. Good amount.
Okay, one more time I'm trying to say it. The next one is 2 soul balls and
2 brisket soul balls.
Yep.
It should have been the 2 no mac no meat, 3 mac no meats. 3 mac no meats and 1 brisket mac.
gotcha. Got the cheese from right down there. Come here, fucker.
Collard greens. You know what? Smoked beans.
I got this mac and cheese up here. That's good. There's chickens.
Yeah, we're definitely hearing this song a lot. Holler. Oh, I didn't see that one on there. Oh no, I got it. Never mind. Nothing, honey. Nothing. I got it. Okay. I bet, though.
Okay, I'm back. I'm on the
I just started it. You're making dreams come true, people.
My man.
You're making dreams come true. Some of that loaded fries. Come on, man. How you supposed to eat all this?
He's like, I tried to do it.
Can't do it. Try to do it. Can't do it. Can't win with him.
But we didn't make a fan out of him today.
I go get the sign.
Thank you, man.
I know.
Thanks. check. All of our doors are good. It's nice and solid. There we go. Let's check our propane. Feel like we got them both. Yep. Solid. Okay. Around, make sure we didn't leave nothing underneath. We like to store stuff under here often. Forgotten. Nice. Service tonight out of 10 Trails. We will be back about 4 weeks time, so it's good. Rain was pouring today, weather was cold and crappy, and still hit our personal objective for the day. First service back in 3 weeks, so shit, almost a month now, so it's good to be back, baby. Action food truck. So my pro tip this week is related to this bad, rainy, cold, wet weather. And the pro tip is have enough flexibility in your menu that you can highlight seasonally appropriate items. What do I mean by that? Well, in this video, you saw the grilled cheese and soup come up quite a bit. It was probably our best seller on this particular day and is typically one of our best sellers of the season because rainy, nasty weather is perfect for some tomato bisque and a grilled cheese sandwich. So come summer months, that is not a very popular dish for us. When it's humid and hot outside, people aren't trying to have hot soup and a grilled cheese sandwich. So we'll feature more salads and fresh fruit or fresh vegetable items in the hotter months. We put ice cream on our menu to sell with our cookie. We put lemonades and iced drinks on our menu in the hot weather because it's appropriate. This service, we sold a ton of hot cider. We sold a bunch of hot chocolate. We sell my mom's cookies, Mama Tate's cookies. We sell them year round, but in the winter months, they kill it. You know, you do a combo with a hot chocolate and warm chocolate chip cookie, and it'll make your whole life better. So it's important for us to keep some flexibility in our menu so that we can highlight things that are appropriate based on the time of year. Cold months, we've got warm stuff. Hot months, we've got cold stuff. Ices for the kids and things like that. I think that it helps keep your truck relevant. And after our first year of doing it, we noticed that more trucks started kind of doing the same thing. And we're not mad at them for it either. I think it's a good tip. So that's my pro tip for the week, actually, is don't be so locked in on your menu that you don't have any room to put items on there that make sense for the season. As a food truck operator, you definitely don't need or want 20 items on your menu, but leave just enough room in there that you can make some small tweaks if you need to. So, yeah. Anyways, y'all, it's freezing out here. I left church and was wholly unprepared for what kind of weather we got. Luckily, I had my Sweet Jane sweater. Had my Sweet Jane sweater in the office to bail me out because it is freezing out here. Y'all stay warm. I'll see you on the next one.